As soon as I got it, I was actually on a business call, so it was interrupting my money. So I immediately pressed the X and got rid of it. Do I think it was necessary? Absolutely not.
It could be necessary if we have an emergency. Just I don't want to be woken up in the middle of the night with some tweets.
I'm really concerned about the expansion of presidential powers and have been for a long time. I've seen that has expanded greatly in the last 20 years. And that really concerns me because as a citizen, I really appreciate our government, our checks and balances. I think it's very important.